big business to be had when it comes to the wedding market segment. Year after year, we continue to see businesses thrive by targeting this market space. And as an apparel decorator, you have the ability to cash in on this as well, simply because you can offer personalization with your heat press. There are many opportunities and avenues to go down when it comes to this market space. Bridal gifts, bachelor and bachelorette kits, bride and groom sentiments, personalized accessories for the honeymooners. The list truly goes on. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to personalize some top selling items for this market so that you can stay relevant and have a competitive edge for this ever-growing space. Let's dive in. There is a lot of opportunity with special effect heat transfer vinyl. So just choose your favorite Stahls CAD cut heat transfer vinyl. Anything with a metallic, iridescent, or even a glitter sheen is going to sell very well to this market. For this, we are going to be using CAD cut chroma twill. This heat transfer vinyl is a twill-based material, and it has an iridescent sheen that is going to complement our travel accessories very well. When it comes to heat applying accessories such as travel bags, there are items that you want to have on hand that are going to help heat application for these much simpler and efficient. So what we're going to be working with is a heat printing pillow, interchangeable platens, and cover sheets such as a craft paper and a flexible application pad. For our first application, we're going to be doing a duffel bag. And as you can see, this has a vegan leather strap on it. So we want to make sure we are using our craft paper to protect that from melting underneath the high heat. In addition to that, we need to isolate our print area for our duffel bag. So whenever we are loading the duffel bag onto the bottom platen with that pillow on there, we are going to thread it and just work with a single layer. Whenever you're working with the A to Z heat press from Hottronics, it does offer that threadable option so that you can get a nice flat print area and allow that heat press pillow to do the work of getting a custom print close to the straps that are laying on the platen. Chroma twill applies at 302 degrees for 20 seconds using a medium pressure. This product is a cold peel, so as soon as it is completely cool to the touch, we can remove the carrier. Once that's done heat applying, we are going to let this cool. Chroma twill is a cool peel, so we're going to remove that from the platen and add an additional print location to the bag with CAD cut chroma twill, and we are just going to add a little personalized piece. So on the back side of the duffel bag, I'm just going to load that on the same way that I did with the front side. And we are just going to drop a little personalization piece right there so that we can increase the profit opportunity for this single piece. So we're just going to drop that personalized piece there. Our application instructions are 302 degrees, and it is a cold peel. So we can go ahead and remove that carrier as soon as it is completely cool to the touch. Okay, so again, this is a cold peel, so we're just going to let that cool. And since we just completed that side, this should be nice and cool for us to go ahead and remove that carrier from the front side. CAD-cut chroma twill is a great option when it comes to custom printing next level travel items such as this bag. This is a very nice quality bag, and this twill texture and iridescent sheen really complements the bag nicely. Let's go ahead and remove the carrier from the personalization on the back. And our custom printed and personalized duffel bag is complete. For the next accessory, we are printing. It is a toiletry bag, another great purchase from Wholesale Boutique. The brand is Viv & Lou, and they offer really nice sets, and this is going to pair so nicely with that duffel bag. So a few accessories we are using. I went ahead and loaded in my interchangeable platen. This is the 6x10. We're also going to be using a smaller pillow to account for the structure and the zippers of the bag so that we can really isolate that print location and get an accurate pressure. All right, so once that's loaded on there, we are going to place our transfer down. I am using thermo tape so that it doesn't move around on me too much as I am working with some of these different accessories. All right, and another accessory we're going to be using is a flexible application pad. So showed this in the beginning of the video. What this is going to do is protect the material of the bag from melting, right? Because we're working with a plastic material and that vegan leather, so we really need to make sure we are not compromising the physical bag just to be able to add that custom print. So this cover sheet is really going to help with that. We're going to apply chroma twill for 20 seconds using a medium pressure. Again, this is a cold peel, so we're going to wait for that to cool, but just to show you that there is no damage done to the physical product, and we are able to easily add that custom print. Now that this has cooled down, we can go ahead and remove that carrier. And our custom twill print on the vegan leather is complete. Personalized accessories is just one of many ways that you can profit in this market space. So keep in mind, when it comes to personalization, there are a lot of other avenues to go down, which we mentioned at the beginning of this video. If you have a multi-channel strategy in place to target some of those other niches, that can really help to propel your custom apparel business to new heights. For more information on the products used in this video, check out the links in the description. And thanks for watching.